how to play a folder's worth of music/video in VLC Media Player. In VLC Media Player, I can use VLC-LZ, for example, to play various files on repeat and shuffled. Is it possible to specify a whole directory and play all the music within the folder and its subfolders? Say I am hosting a party and have a folder with party music. How would I play all the music from that folder in a loop and repeating the whole playlist?
According to this blog post, the playlist tree will play everything in the folder passed into it. For example. Also note that the example is for a Windows system. You may need to modify the syntax slightly if you are using a Unix-based system.
As I didn't get Ben's 9 solution working, I wrote a little batch script doing the trick. The one instance option tells VLC Media Player to keep only one window, and I think playlist and queue is quite explicit. On Linux, it can be simply achieved with
I often need to work my way through a lot of videos in a particular sequence. When I stop watching one, I want my player to remember where I was and resume from that point. VLC cannot do either of these, not without extra work. Instead, I use Media Player Classic, Home Cinema, this URL for this very reason. I even created my own tiny script to launch MPCHC and resume the most recently played file automatically. The VLC development team is opposed to automatically playing the next file, even as an option. They insist that you must select the files manually, and then add them to a playlist, or open the folder, which would start from the first file, which isn't what I want, or add them individually. Their dogma is not user-friendly.
For Linux, I have no Windows machines handy. All of this is from the man pages and/or help output. I also tested these to work. The L shouldn't be needed because help 4C says, play files randomly forever. Or if you'd prefer to use in player, VLC video scaling is currently borked on one of my machines.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.